For our Java project, we chose to create a snake game. While decomposing this game, we noticed that we needed a few things. We needed a snake, a board, user interface, a scorecard, and of course a main class, a main component for now. Now this snake component would create a snake, make the snake move. The board would initialize the game and set the position for the gold and the bomb. The user interface would add the panels, and the scorecard will keep track of the scores, whether the snake has eaten a gold or eaten a bomb. And the main class, of course, would call the GUI and display everything. Now for the breaking down of these components, we turn them into classes with attributes. So versus the last slide where we have 5 components, we turn them into 4 classes where we combine snake with board. So board now has task of creating a snake, moving the snake, dealing with collision with the snake and the bomb, initializing the game and stuff like that. The GUI now adds a board panel and the side panel and sets its location. The side panel has the scoreboard, which increments the score or decrements the score whether the snake eats a gold or eats a bomb. And the snake game, which is our main class, calls the GUI. I take the snake game. There are 4 classes as we mentioned earlier: the board panel, the side panel, GUI, and the snake game. So we said that the board panel is responsible for initializing game. Let's go to the board panel shown here, initializing the game. So when it starts, it prints or paints a goal and a bomb onto the screen. This is called from these 2 methods here. They generally find a position for bomb and the snake, so they generate a random position for the bomb and the gold, sorry, not snake. This allows, let me see, scroll up, this part here is what makes the snake move. Finds a position for the snake. This method here checks to see if a gold was eaten, and if a gold was eaten, the score has to be incremented, and if a bomb was eaten, the score had to be decremented. So this is basically what this class does. So let's go to the side panel. Side panel now is responsible for the incremented and decremented the score. So it prints the score or the stats. So if as we had before, so in score, if the snake eats a gold, the score is incremented by 10 and it is then printed out, right? And the goal obtained is also printed out. If a snake eats the bomb, then it's decremented by 10 and you print that out. This for this, and the controls are also printed in this from this class. The next method the next class we're gonna look at is the GUI. This has the panels, assigns the panels, adds the panels, and assigns location and size to them. It also makes them visible, and then of course we have the main class which calls the GUI. So let's run it and see how it works. But so you see the stats over there on the right hand side. So if I eat a bomb, the score decrements by 10. The length of the snake also decreases, right? So if I eat a gold now, the length of the snake increases and the the score also increases. And the controls are there telling you what to do, and that's it. This is basically it. So thanks for watching.